Good evening guys, ito po yung yung jumping salad guys, yan oh. Yan oh. Ayan. Hipon yan guys. Galing sa dagat. Buhay pa yan kanina. Ayan, nilagyan natin ng kalamansi at saka sibuyas. First bite guys. Perfect guys. Quality. Isa pa guys. Lagyan natin ng sibuyas. Yan guys oh. May isa pa. Isa lang. Hindi sumama na isa. Yan guys, lagyan natin sibuyas. Ayos guys, masarap. Napakasarap. Yun na. Kita nyo yan. Yan guys. And guys, thank you for watching. God blessing at